guys, it's Mylann and I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I'll be doing yet again another sneaker unboxing video because you guys have loved my last Air Jordan 1 sneaker video. I brought a new Air Jordan 1 sneaker video, and I'll also be showing you the shoes on feet and just telling you like how they look, how they feel, and a little bit about where I got the shoes and everything like that. So a lot of people be sleeping on mids too, but don't sleep on mids because mids have fire colorways, and they're also a lot more affordable than like the regular high top Air Jordan 1s. So make sure you guys check that out. It will be in the cards up here somewhere, and let's just get into the video. So I have my box. Let me just open this. I have not opened this box, you guys, so again, this is like, y'all get the first view of my reaction and everything. Okay. Dang, this box is all hard. Wrapping tissue. More wrapping tissue. And then here we go. We have the Jordan 1 box. So this is the box. And then it just says on the side, Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. These are 8.5 in men's. So this is a men's release originally. The color is black, field purple, and white. It also has multiple colors besides that, and then obviously the box comes in really good condition. I got these, I ordered these from goat.com, and I forgot the price, but I'm gonna check when I open the box. But hold on, let me see. I don't want to look at the shoes yet because I don't want to ruin it. So it comes with this little GOAT verified thing, and then you get like a GOAT sticker. This is a GOAT verified thing, so they just verify that it has the SKU number and size, it has the right and the left, the shoe condition's good, the box condition is good, it has accessory structure, all that other stuff. So I got these from GOAT, but let's get ready for the shoes. I haven't looked at the shoes yet, but this is the shoe box. Are you ready? Oh, what is it? Oh, okay, hold on. This is mad smooth, okay. Oh, and this is like velvety. I don't know what it is. Okay, I can't see the shoe at all, but hold on. I'm gonna close my eyes. And I'm gonna put the shoe box down. Oh my god. Hold on. There's just so many, like, I feel like so many textures. Like there's smooth, there's like the classic leather, there's like so many, whoa, there's so many textures. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. So let's really get into these shoes. Let me take out the other shoe. These are so cute, guys. They're just so cute. So these shoes, obviously, let's just start with the bottom. So we have the black outer sole, which is really, really nice, sleek, clean. It's in really good condition. A white midsole, and then the outer toe is like a suede black material, and the inside is like that classic Jordan leather. It's a little pebbled though, and it's like in this fire royal blue color. And then we have obviously like the black mid shoe, and then the shoelace lining part, you know. We got a little satin vibes going on, and then we got this kind of reminds me of like Lakers colors. Obviously this is the they call this the Air Jordan 1 mid top 3, and I think it just represents the top 3 teams that Jordan was a part of. So we have the purple and yellow swoosh, and the swoosh, like the purple swoosh, is actually made with, again, like that's like a kind of like a satiny type material. And then over here we have the black Jordan wings, and then that's really dope. And then up here the red top of the shoe is like, you know, fire. It's made with that satin material again. So then we have again, like the sock lining is this black color. It's very squishy up here, like it's very squishy and soft and stuff like that. And then obviously the mid of the shoe is white, and then if we get to the front of the shoe, it is, you know, it has the black top of the tongue lining, and then the tongue again is kind of like, is this like white or off-white? I would say it's like a little bit off-white. I'm not gonna lie, like the tongue is a little off-white at the top, but I think it's really, really cute. And then obviously, like, let's get into the label right here. So the Jordan label right here is blue and orange. So I just think that this shoe is just so fire because it comes with so many different colors. Like, I love a colorful shoe, but the way they did this is just something different. Like, these shoes are just so cute. I absolutely love these. And then it comes with an extra pair of laces, so it has the white laces as well. I personally think I like the black laces better. This looks huge, but my feet are big, so I'm like, Sky, stop lying. And another fire detail that I just noticed is that the inside of the shoe, you can't really see it. The shoe has this really nice, let me just unlace the shoes a little bit. This is really nice, like, geometric pattern design. You might not really be able to see it, but I'll film an up close shot so you guys can really see all parts of the shoe. It has like a really dope geometric design on the inside. These shoes are just so nice. Like, just every color that it has is just fire. I think these shoes are slept on again. Like, these aren't your typical, because they're mids and not high tops, you know, they don't get the recognition that they deserve, but this is a nice colorway. They're so cute. I just can't wait to style these, and I think this would be like easy but hard to style just simply because they have so many colors in them. So I'm not gonna make this video too long because I feel like that's pointless to make this video too long. Like these shoes, if you really want to see these, check them out, all that jazz. Make sure that you let me know. Leave a comment down below if you want to see more sneakers. But you guys, I'm not gonna keep talking. I'm just gonna get right into the on foot view.